The explosion-proof forklift light from Larson Electronics features a powerful blue warning safety light that is able to withstand hazardous environments. This durable LED warning spotlight produces a 2,250 lumen output with low amp draw, 50,000 hours service life, and 9 to 60 volt compatibility, providing operators with a versatile and powerful forklift warning light. This blue LED spotlight is designed to warn pedestrians and bystanders within the path of an oncoming forklift that would otherwise be difficult to see or hear without any type of warning system.